In this video, I'll show you how to fix your iPhone Wi-Fi not working. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. Here we are on my iPhone, and let's get into this first fix, and you need to go and open up your settings for this. Then you need to go and scroll down until you can see mobile data, or if you're in the US or another country, it may be cellular. Then open up mobile data and you need to scroll to the bottom of this page. At the bottom of this page, you're going to have an option for something called Wi-Fi Assist, and this is basically going to be activated when your Wi-Fi connectivity is poor. So what you want to do is turn that off, because otherwise your phone will automatically disconnect from the Wi-Fi to go and use your mobile data. The second thing you need to do is make sure you're not using a VPN. I actually had this issue before, and my phone basically wouldn't let me join any Wi-Fi, and that is because I had a VPN on. So to go and check if you've got a VPN on, either go and open up the VPN app. For example, I use ExpressVPN, but mine is currently turned off, or you can go and open up your settings, go to the general page and scroll down to VPN and device management, and as you can see, I haven't got any which are currently connected. For this next fix, you need to go and open up the settings again and go to your screen time page, and then you need to go and click on content and privacy restrictions, and I recommend just turning this off to see if that makes any difference with you joining any Wi-Fi networks. It may make a difference. Now for this next fix, I just recommend testing the internet connection you're trying to join on a different device, because of course you can't currently join it on this device, because it may be the whole internet connection or the router not letting that particular device join. So either go and check the same connection on a different device, or try and connect to a different internet connection on your phone. Maybe go to a friend's house and just see if it's the phone which is not letting you join, or your specific Wi-Fi connection at your home. If that still doesn't make a difference, then just go and restart your device. That is always going to be one of the best things to do. Often just restarting the device will reset everything. So just hold your two buttons together and go and slide to power off, and then you can go and turn it back on. Let me just log back in. Now for this final fix, I recommend just going and resetting your network settings. So all you need to do is open up your settings, go back to your home page, and then go to general, scroll to the bottom where it says transfer or reset iPhone, then go and tap on reset, and then you've got a list of options and you want to go and tap on reset network settings. Tap there and you have to go and enter your passcode, and basically what that's going to go and do is going to go and forget all your Wi-Fi network passwords. So if you want to join the same one, you have to enter password things, but it just goes and completely resets your network settings. And there we go. I hope you did find this video useful. If you did, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.